everyone. For this Mahashivaratri, I will sing one more Shiva bhajan. Let's start. Shankara Sadashiva Chandrasekhara, Shankara Sadashiva Chandrasekhara, Chandrasekhara Gauri Shankara, Chandrasekhara Gauri Shankara. Neelakanta Suladari Chandrasekhara, Neelakanta Suladari Chandrasekhara, Kalanetra Tripurari Gauri Shankara, Kalanetra Tripurari Gauri Shankara, Chandrasekhara Gauri Shankara, Chandrasekhara Gauri Shankara. Vedarupa Vishwanatha Chandrasekhara, Vedarupa Vishwanatha Chandrasekhara, Kalaharana Kamadahana Gauri Shankara, Kalaharana Kamadahana Gauri Shankara, Chandrasekhara Gauri Shankara, Chandrasekhara Gauri Shankara. Shankara Sadashiva Chandrasekhara, Shankara Sadashiva Chandrasekhara, Chandrasekhara